Hello everyone, welcome to my art maker channel in YouTube. I'm Jack Chen in Hong Kong, China. The Mother's Day is coming. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a nice bracelet for the Mother's Day. And also I want to use the simplest way to make the bracelet. Actually, I just buy some beads in the internet, and it's easy to make the nice bracelet. Okay, follow my camera. I will show you how to make one of these. We are going to make the bracelet for the Mother's Day. So I bought this kind of bead. Actually, it's a Agate bead, original color. Very nice. I bought it in the internet. Looks nice. It's around. When I bought, they say it's 18 pieces. So I put it here. So I'm going to share with you the most easiest way to make it. So first we should have this elastic cord string. You see, very soft elastic cord string. We pick up one of the bead and use this side as a needle. Screw in the bead, first one, and then the second. Serve. Already 9 pieces. So I want to make it more special. This is a lucky bell ring. It's a rabbit. So if your mother or your friend he like this kind of decoration, of course you should this one. Also, if they believe the Buddha is, here is a heart suture. You see the wording here? It's a heart suture. If you send this for the Buddhism people, surely they will like it. So this time I use the bell. Lucky bell, bring you a lucky. Okay, it's 20 pieces of beads. So We need to cut the tail and tie it. So tie one time. And the second time. You see, the tiger's eye is for man, and the Agate bracelet is for the lady. It's nice. I bought it in Yunnan, and I bought this in the internet, Taobao. So the price is much cheaper than I bought in the shop. So I cut it. We need to cut the all. We mine 3 mm. So use this B and hide the knot, so you cannot see the knot. Looks very nice. If you make one of these, the special bracelet for your mother, I'm sure she will really love it. So after a few minutes, the super simple Agate bracelet for the Mother's Day already finished. And I try to wear this. Looks nice for the lady or for the woman. So guys, do something for the Mother's Day, because it's very and this time I just show you the simplest way to make the bracelet. So next time I will show you another way to make it more nice with 2 cord, 3 cord or 4 cord. It's more stable. So if you like my video, please give me a like here and subscribe my channel. That's all of today, guys. Do something for the Mother's Day. I will see you next time. Bye bye.